This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. In Assam, the Public Health Engineering Department has taken up steps to provide pure drinking water to schools and Anganwadi centers of the state. Talking to AIR, the Chief Engineer Water, Maninda, said that as desired by the center, government schools will be provided running water facilities. Das said that around 41,000 schools are required to be connected with tap water supply facilities, and these schools will be covered under Jal Jeevan mission in the state. He also said that 13 lakh households are to be given tap water connection this year under Jal Jeevan mission. Das further mentioned that priority would be given to cover the aspirational districts. Assam Police was awarded the Governance Now India Police Awards 2020 for capacity building for the Assam Police Sishu Mitra program. The Sishu Mitra program is a holistic child-friendly policing program undertaken by the Assam Police in collaboration with UNICEF and UTSA Child Rights Org Assam. The program was launched by the Chief Minister of Assam in 2019 and aims to enhance the capacities of the police station level police officers to respond to child-related cases more effectively and efficiently. The award was received yesterday by Additional DGP Harmeet Singh through a virtual ceremony. The national level award has been instituted by Governance Now to organize innovative programs undertaken by the Indian police across the country. Meghalaya's social organization Sur U Paidbah today said all the political parties do not dispute on the need to solve the vexed issues of boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, implementation of inner line permit and inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the constitution. The KSUP, however, regretted that despite the favorable political environment between the centre and Meghalaya that prevailed over the years, these issues that affect the tribal communities of the state are lingering on. Sur U Paidbah is impatient to see the border dispute between the two states is resolved. Speaking to the media at the premises of Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong, the Finance Secretary of Sur U Paidbah, Thomas Pasa, said all political parties have picked up these issues during elections but are easily forgotten. COVID-19 positive cases load in Nagaland increased to 8,894 after 70 new cases have been reported yesterday. In addition, one casualty has been registered from Kohima district and 150 recoveries from the infection. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnupom said 46 new cases were detected from Dimapur, 19 in Kohima, 3 in Mon and 1 each from Longleng and Zohinboto. While the recoveries were registered from Dimapur with 102, so far a total of 7,019 persons have recovered, having a recovery rate of 78.92%. At present, there are 1,758 active cases, while a total of 29 persons have succumbed to the infection. 5 deaths are still under investigation, while 6 died due to comorbidities. 77 cases have migrated so far. In Manipur, 242 fresh cases of COVID-19 were detected and 4 more succumbed to the disease, while 163 have recovered in the last 24 hours. According to COVID-19 Common Control Room, the total confirmed cases reached 18,051, while 4,308 are active cases. Altogether, 13,583 have recovered so far. The recovery rate stands at 75.24% and COVID-related deaths stands at 160. In Meghalaya, the total number of COVID-19 fatalities have gone up to 87 after 2 more deaths were reported from East Khasi Hills district yesterday. Director of Health Services Dr. Anganwadi in a press briefing informed that the state also recorded 113 new COVID-19 recoveries, tallying the number of recovered cases in Meghalaya to 7,890. He said that 77 new COVID-19 cases were also reported, including East Khasi Hills 40, West Garo Hills 15, East Garo Hills 9, Ribhoi 6, East Jaintia Hills 2, West Jaintia Hills 2, South Garo Hills 1, Southwest Garo Hills 1 and Southwest Khasi Hills 1. The total number of active COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya stands at 1,326. Till date, Meghalaya has detected a total of 9,309 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister, who is also the Transport Minister, Snyabha Langdhar, has tested positive for COVID-19 on an official from the state government informed. The Transport Minister is the third cabinet minister of the Meghalaya government to test positive for COVID-19. Earlier, Power Minister James Sangma and Health Minister A.L. Hek had tested positive for the disease. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.